Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an incredible AI tool I've been using for a while now to design a professional logo for my business and to generate images for my website, for my blog post, and for my other project. And I do all this in minutes. So whether you're starting a new company or you're looking to rebrand, then this AI logo generator tool is perfect for creating unique, eye-catching logos without needing any design skills. So just stick around till the end of this video, and by the end of this tutorial, I can really assure you that you would have everything you need to get a polished professional logo for your brand. So let's get started. The first step is to come to the tool, Leonardo.ai. I'm going to leave the link to it in the description box so that you can go check it out. And for this tool, just like most of the tools I demo on my YouTube channel, we first need to create an account. So you can create an account using Apple, Microsoft, or as your own like email and password. I'm just gonna click on Google, and then it brings me to this page. So basically it's asking me some questions about myself. So I'm just gonna say I'm an enthusiast. I'm just exploring AI for personal use, and I'm gonna click done. And then you have to accept the terms of service. I'm just gonna close this for now. There are many things you can do in this tool, but I'm just focused on generating a logo for my business. So I'm just going to click on image generation. It can give you a tour of the platform, but I'm just going to say no thanks and finish. As you can see, I've already generated some images already. For this tutorial, I just want to generate logos for my business. So there are many dimensions you can choose. Just know that with a free version, there might be some restrictions. So for instance, with the free versions, it's just defaulted to 4 images at a time. So if you wanted to generate, let's say, just 2 images at a time, you probably need to just upgrade. And for image dimensions, for the logo, I'm just going to do square. You can decide to do small, medium. But if you want a large image, then you need to pay for the premium subscription. Generation mode, I'm just going to choose first. Reset. You can decide to select any of these ones. For some of these ones, you need to upgrade to be able to use them. But for most of them, it's free. Probably just gonna choose graphic design just because I want to do a logo. And then I'm just gonna come back here. Contrast, you can just keep it at medium. We already selected a number of images. If I go down to advanced settings, you can decide to have like negative prompts, transparency. You can just really decide to set up any of these different settings here. And there's also like the model, so you can decide on which model you want to use. I'm just going to leave it at the Adobe Excel model. And then you just come in here and enter your prompt. So I'm just going to say generate a logo for my AI tutorial business old learning empty, and I'm just gonna click on generate. Okay, this is super cool. I do have a number of logos that I've generated, so I could either use this one. This looks quite fancy, especially since I'm female. I think it looks quite fancy. I might choose this one, but I just want to try out like other presets. So let's say instead of graphic design, I select concept art and then generate a logo for the same prompt. So I'm gonna click on generate. Well, I'm not too sure if this is what I was going for. I don't know why it's giving me so many images or anything but tech. So I'm just going to change the presets. I'm going to select, let's say, illustrative albedo and click on generate. Oh, this is still super cool for me. I mean, you can play around with what you want. So if I just said, let's say 3D render and I clicked on generate, let's see what happens. Okay, so after trying 3 different presets, I actually think I prefer this model better. So I think the best combination to get the best logo for your business is to use the combination of illustrative albedo and the preset style set to 3D render. I think it gives you something that looks more like a logo. Personally, I like this logo. This is something that I'll personally use on my website. I like the color combination. This is something that really depicts the kind of person I am. And this is definitely something I'll put on my website. I would recommend that you can try it out for yourself. The good thing is that this is free. You don't need to pay for it. Once you're done generating it, you can just click on the download button and you can easily download this onto your laptop and use this on your website, on your blog post, wherever you want to use it. I'll be using Leonardo.ai for a while now, and it works really well every time. But if you would also want to clone your voice for your YouTube videos, and you may want to check out my last tutorial on how I clone my voice on my YouTube tutorial videos for my faceless channel, So I'll just leave that on the screen as well so that you can go check it out. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.